Malacanang says the Office of the President is reviewing the proposed amendments to the Intellectual Property Code. According to Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valte, the review covers the position papers of various groups opposing the amendments. Elena Luna with added details. The Palace is reviewing the proposed amendment to the intellectual property law after internet rights activists called on the President to veto the bill.
Natanggap po natin yan noong January 29 at yung mga amendment po sa batas ay nire-review pa ng Office of the President.
According to Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valte, they have also sent to the Office of the President position papers of groups opposing the amendments.
Tatlo kasi yung nire-raise nilang contentious issues. Una, yung pag-jailbreak ng mga electronic gadgets natin para makapag-download ka ng application, hindi doon mismo sa provider, ngunit sa ibang application developer. Pangalawa, sinasabi po nila na yung magiging illegal na rin daw po yung pagda-download sa ilalim ng batas na, doon sa panukalang batas na yun. At pangatlo, yung pagpapasok nga daw po ng mga libro, ng mga DVD mula sa ibang bansa, even on a personal trip, will be prohibited. That is, those are three concerns raised by people who are against those particular amendments. Those three are precisely the ones that we have given to the Office of the President, to the team that is reviewing it, to see kung ano po ba yung basihan ng mga objections na ito.
President Aquino has 30 days to study the bill.
Every enrolled bill that comes to the Office of the President has 30 days to sign a particular bill. Otherwise, it is deemed as passed without the President's signature. So it still will lapse into law. So if you're thinking of priority, we have 30 days to act on the bill.
For the People's Television, Elena Luna.